Good day everyone, I'm James Porhenog, 4th year ISM. For today's video, I'm going to share to you the 10 commandments of safety driving. Step 1. For self-down driving safety, 10 commandments of safety driving. As driver will say, first, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. I will not pass without care on curves, not nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. Fourth, I do not disobey highways, signs, and traffic light signals. Five, I do not make twists without signaling my intentions. Six, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Step 2. Self-Traveler 10 Commandments of Road Safety from Traveler 22 source. First is thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third is thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Fourth is thou shalt not take it any chance. 5 is thou shalt buckle up thy kids. 6 is thou shalt not drive on thy bright. 7 is thou shalt not drive with on lights off or wear faulty lights. 8 is thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9 is thou shalt keep thy distance. And last is thou shalt practice patience. Third step. Self-clearance 10 commandments of traffic. First is keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third is prohibited parking. Fourth is if the dove do not overtake. 5 is the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6 is rule to prevent or anti-gold traffic jams. 7 is observe traffic management measures. 8 is the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicle. 9 is on pedestrians. 10 is remember the international driving safety reminders. That's all. Thank you.